Our enemies are many, and they stand ready to pounce upon and exploit our every weakness. They prey upon our vanities and flatter us in every kind of way. They tell us that this particular person or that particular country has greater or more favorable potentialities than the other. They do not tell us that we should unite, that we are all as good as we are able to make ourselves once we are free.
PidginGistory Africa be this, I beg. Click that subscribe button, make we carry waka enter one small quiet village where they call Overthrow. We there for the western side of Gold Coast, where we know today as Ghana. One baby boy landed on top 21st of September 1909. In Papa na goldsmith and farmer. Them they call him Kofi Ngonloma. And in mama na market woman. Her name na Elizabeth Nyaniba. Them born the boy on Saturday, so then give him that common Akan name, KWAME, but in full name na KWAME NKRUMAH. And who go believe say this small boy go later turn world symbol for black man struggle. But wait, he never reach power yet. Now we dey enter the real journey. As NKRUMAH grow, he too sabi book. In first start school for Achimota College before he enter ship go London around 1935. But now for United States, particularly Harlem, New York, where him eye really open. He studied for Lincoln University and later for University of Pennsylvania. But no be just book he go learn. He mix with black thinkers, people like Marcus Garvey followers, George Padmore, and even talk sometimes for Malcolm X early circles. Now there the Pan-African fire begin burn full inside him chest. He talk say, black man no be second class, Africa must unite. But my people, now so the struggle starts. Sometimes they even get cloth to wear go class. Omo, if you don't follow me reach here, I beg, click that subscribe button. No let this kind of African story waka pass you next time. As in return for 1947, NKRUMAH joined UGCC, United Gold Coast Convention, but in get moral past them. While other elites, they toast queen with teacup, NKRUMAH they shout self-government now. He come up from that party, go create him own movement, CPP, Convention People's Party. My guy know they play. Now so him start positive action, strike, protest, boycott. Even when them jail him, now from prison, him still win election. Them release him and boom, 6th March 1957, Ghana become the first black African country we gain independence. NKRUMAH no just stop for Ghana. Him vision big. Him they fight for one Africa, one army, one currency. Now him and people like Haile Selassie, Julius Nyerere, Sekou Toure, and Modibo Keita build OAU, Organization of African Unity, for May 1963. But wahala full ground. Most African leaders, they fear say them go lose power if Africa unites. Now there, NKRUMAH begin look like over serious prophets. He write book with title Africa Must Unite, but then laugh am. Why some people they laugh am? Some leaders come here say Africa go get one passport, then begin sweat. They like unity, but no one share. As NKRUMAH they travel go China to meet Chairman Mao for peace talk. CIA come allegedly help Ghana military plan coup. Now so he want soldiers overthrow him, scatter all Pan-African plan. NKRUMAH tried to return, but them no gree. He enter exile for Conakry, Guinea, where President Sekou Toure give him small post as honorary co-president. But Omo, the man where once they shout for Africa, now they stand for balcony in pain. Him die for Bucharest, Romania on 27 April 1972. Some people say na poison, some say na cancer, while others say na heartbreak. Them fit silence in voice, but them no fit kill in message. If you believe say Africa fit still rise, I beg drop comments below. Who you think say fit carry this Pan-African torch now? NKRUMAH be no perfect for some people but him dream big no be small. And even if them don't bury him since, the seed we implant still they germinate small. As I talked before, na PidginGistory Africa be this, I beg ginger us to drop more stories like this by tapping that like, comment, subscribe, and follow us for all our social media handles. We do for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and IG at PidginGistory_Africa.